Welcome to this lesson on silent letters. Today, we will explore two important silent letters in English, the letter K and the letter W. These letters appear at the beginning of many common words, but are not pronounced. Understanding silent letters will help you speak English more naturally and improve your pronunciation. Let's start with the silent K. When the letter K appears before the letter N at the start of a word, the K is completely silent. You only pronounce the N sound. This pattern occurs in many everyday English words, and recognizing it will make these words easier to say correctly. Here are 4 common examples of words with silent K. The first word is knife, pronounced knife. The second word is no, pronounced no. The third word is night, pronounced night. The fourth word is kneel, pronounced kneel. In each of these words, the K is silent and we only hear the N sound followed by the other letters. Now let's move on to the silent W. When the letter W appears before the letter R at the start of a word, the W is completely silent. You only pronounce the R sound and the letters that follow it. This is another common pattern in English that you will encounter frequently. Here are 4 common examples of words with silent W. The first word is right, pronounced right. The second word is rap, pronounced rap. The third word is wrong, pronounced wrong. The fourth word is wreck, pronounced wreck. In each of these words, the W is silent and we only hear the R sound followed by the other letters. Let's summarize the 2 patterns we learned. For silent K, remember that K before N at the start of a word is silent. Common words include knife, no, night, kneel, not, and knee. For silent W, remember that W before R at the start of a word is silent. Common words include right, rap, wrong, wreck, wrist, and rap. These patterns will help you recognize and pronounce many more English words correctly. Now let's practice what we learned. I will show you 3 words and you should identify which letter is silent. First word, not. The silent letter is K. Second word, wrist. The silent letter is W. Third word, knowledge. The silent letter is K. Good job if you identified all of these correctly. Here are the 3 key points to remember from this lesson. First, silent K appears before N at the start of words like knife, no, and night. Second, silent W appears before R at the start of words like right, rap, and wrong. Third, recognizing these patterns helps you with both pronunciation and spelling. Practice these words regularly to improve your English skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.